Got an E3D file from a vintage 3D project and need to open it on a modern computer? This model format comes from a long discontinued but historically significant 3D tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening these extreme 3D files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the E3D file. I'll reveal it at the end. Users searching for .E3D are typically motion graphics artists or video editors using Adobe After Effects. Their goal is to import a 3D model into their composition for animation and visual effects. The file contains mesh geometry, materials, and texture information specifically for the Element 3D plugin. The .E3D format is a proprietary binary container designed for performance within After Effects. It preprocesses and optimizes 3D model data, vertices, normals, UVs, for rapid rendering by the GPU. This design prioritizes real-time playback and manipulation over cross-platform compatibility. The most widely recognized opener for E3D is unequivocally Element 3D from Video Copilot. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may show only thumbnails or metadata, so full inspection must occur in compatible CAD software. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the E3D file and choose Open With. Prioritize Element 3D if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. If your E3D file isn't cooperating, don't worry. General troubleshooting won't work on this E3D file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening with Extreme 3D. Locate a copy of Macromedia Extreme 3D version 2 from archived software repositories, since the application is no longer commercially available. Install on Windows 9X or via virtualization with VirtualBox running Windows 98. Open the E3D file via File, then open within Extreme 3D. Next, converting to modern formats. Within Extreme 3D, export models to DXF or 3ds using File then Export, which provides a path to modern software. Import the converted file into Blender 3ds Max or Maya for further work in current 3D production pipelines without requiring continued Extreme 3D access. Finally, using universal converters. Try opening E3D files in legacy converters like Polytrans or Deep Exploration, which historically supported obscure 3D formats. These tools may extract geometry directly, without requiring Extreme 3D installation, though material and animation data often does not survive conversion fully. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.